Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Friends, market is in a very choppy mode. Market is in a very volatile mode. And people are very confused. Market participants across all asset classes are very confused that what is going to happen in the near future. So friends, I have already shared my view. If you have not yet watched my last video, please do watch it because I hope you will be able to understand where I clearly mentioned that in this month of June, there will be a lot of hiccups going forward. I have already mentioned it in my Telegram channel as well. Please do join my Telegram channel. I have posted the link in the description box. Just below this video, the description box is given where I have shared my Telegram channel. You just can click it and directly join it. You don't require anything else. Now friends, in this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on lot of things, starting with dollar index, then I'll proceed to metals. I'll share a few indices as well. Clear? So please watch it till the end because this will be very, very important. So in my last video also I mentioned about dollar index, which is very important. Our currency USD INR, right? So INR is pegged against dollar. So I told you that when dollar gets weak, it is good for Indian economy, it is good for Indian equity. When dollar is strong, it is bad for Indian economy, it is bad for Indian equity. Because dollar, when it gets stronger, INR gets weak and vice versa, right? And this is not only important from the perspective of India, but from the perspective of commodity cycle also, this is very important because the thumb rule is when dollar gets weak, that means on the chart, when dollar comes down, then you see that all the, metals, it can be precious metals, it can be base metals. So all the commodities rally, clear? Because it has an inverse relationship with dollar index. Now, in my last video also I told you that dollar index is basically standing at a very, very strong demand zone. And you see, as I have told you, in that same line, it exactly bounced back from there, from the level of this 89.42. You can see these lines were drawn lot ago. If you just go back and watch my earlier videos, you will be able to see. So in this current week, this is weekly chart. You can see in this current week, it bounced back so much from this level of it. The low is 90.346 and high is 92.008. You can see from the top left hand corner the present high low of this particular week. Now let me just go to daily chart so that you can understand. You see, since yesterday, you can see within 2 days it jumped so much, and this level 91.746, which is also a very crucial ceiling, you can say, it breached that level. Now as I mentioned that this has an inverse relationship with the commodities, especially the metals. Now let me just show you metals one by one. You will be able to correlate that what happens exactly, starting with gold. So I'm going to gold futures of COMEX. Now see, as I told you, see what happened in the last 2 days. You see, yesterday it came down, but then again it bounced back and closed at almost at the highest point. But today you see it dragged down so much. Yesterday it closed around this level of 1861.4, and presently price is hovering around 1770. You can see the present tick is 1771.2, right? So you can see why this has happened, because dollar index went up. So it has an inverse relationship with dollar index. Clear? If you just zoom out also, you will see that this level is actually very important. This particular level 1950, 1920, which I mentioned a lot earlier. If you see my earlier videos also, you will be able to understand. But for the timing, you just notice that what is going to happen in metals going forward, at least in the near term or very near term, you can say. So this is the scenario in gold. Now let me just show you silver. So typing silver future of COMEX, you see the same scenario in this silver future. It again just, it pulled back and breached this important level of 26.215 from this yesterday close. Yesterday close was, you can see it's 27.810, and presently it is hovering around 25.9. So you can calculate the percentage difference. Clear? Now let me just show you aluminium, or I can go to copper futures as well. So copper futures, I'm going with this one. Copper futures, the continuous chart. See, the copper futures also, which is basically the most, the leader in the metal segment. If you just tally all the metals in the metal segment, you will find that copper is basically the leader. So this leader also is dragging on in the southward direction. Why? Because in the first chart I told you that dollar index is moving higher, and it has an inverse relationship with metals, commodities, right? Present scenario of this copper. So don't go for long in metals currently. You can go for, if it bounce back, you can get some shorting opportunity in the very near term for metals. Don't go for long, because this will be very weak, at least for the month of this June. Clear? Now let me just show you Dow Jones. Dow Jones is basically what? It is the index in US, right? Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let me just type US 30. This is Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now I want to show you one important thing here. Let me just draw one line. I want to go to weekly chart, and here it has breached a very important trend line. Let me just zoom in a bit so that it becomes visually clear to you. Let me just draw a trend line here. So I'm just connecting the low of last year lowest point and just joining the legs here. You can see I have extended this line from this March low where it bottomed out, and now in the present week, after so many months, basically after a year, this line is very important, because this is a year old, more than a year old trend line. So the validity of this line will be quite significant, and in the current week you can see that it has breached this line, and you can see the last price is 33,740. So this particular chart also deserves lot of attention going forward, because the developed economy, the developing economy always follows the developed economy, right? So it will definitely put an impact across the market, across the different indices of different countries. It can be developing, it can be developed as well. So from the perspective of India, this is very important as well. Clear? Now let me just show you Nifty. So going with Nifty, in this Nifty chart also, I have explained you in my last video that this line is very important. Again, I extended this line from this particular candle when this Nifty bottomed out in this March 23rd week, 23rd March weekend. So presently the candle which you can see at the top is exactly taking support on this particular strong trend line. Now it is on the verge of this particular trend line. If it breaches this trend line, the next immediate support should be 15,470, and below that I told you that 14,780 should be the level where you should put your maximum focus. Clear? So I am not expecting Nifty to bounce back in near term and go towards this 16,220 at least for the next expiry, for the weekly expiry. So I'll be watching for some kind of shorting opportunity. It can be put long, or it can be some kind of ratio trades. So I usually don't go naked with any kind of options. I always go with protective strategies. Now you can also play in futures, keeping the high as stop loss or as per your risk appetite. So let me just show the daily time frame on this Nifty chart, because that will also be quite significant. You see, as I mentioned on the weekly, today you see this line played so important role in this particular candle. The low exactly touched that particular line and it stood there, right? Now the next immediate level should be this 15470. Please keep this thing in mind, because I'm not very bullish on Nifty, as I have shared in my last video also. So that's all I wanted to share in this particular video. Please plan your trade and trade your plan accordingly. I hope this video will add some value to you, and don't forget to share with your near and dear ones, and join the Telegram channel as well. And please do comment if you have any question in the